Whenever we have been here, it has been an extreme pleasure for us because you have been such an amazing audience. So you will top it, I'm sure. The expectations nonetheless are pretty high on you. We put pressure on you. I have no idea if you have been informed already, but I'm more or less deaf on ears. So whatever you're doing, I cannot understand. Which is a blessing for these guys. By now these guys are deaf as well. So it doesn't make sense if just one or two of you are screaming. Idea how you guys feel, but in my pockets it's far too early for Majesty, right? We usually don't play Majesty before 10 p.m. Will there be an exception today? Will there be? I don't think that this is Majesty, but calm down your souls and our souls a little bit. We do business as usual, which means at this particular point it's going to be a song of the Nightfall album. I knew you would like that one, and maybe you forget about Majesty. I promise you a nice song next. This one's called Nightfall. Lost sign of life did flicker, in floods of tears she cried. Lost